Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and record webcam with your OBS Studio. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open OBS Studio as an administrator. And once you've done that, as you can see, this is my screen. Let me just hide that for a second. So in order for you to go ahead and record webcam with OBS Studio, you need to firstly connect it with the right USB port. Simply go ahead and connect it to your PC, and once you've connected to it, on any scenes that you want to go ahead and add your webcam, simply click on plus on the sources tab right over here, and here where you want to go ahead and click on is video capture device. Once you've done that, if it is already existing, you can simply click on add existing, but for me we need to create new. Click on OK, and now as you can see, it's going to show you devices. For me, I've not connected any webcam whatsoever, so it's not going to be showing right over here. However, as you can see, there is OBS virtual camera that is detected for me. Here you can go ahead and play around with your resolution, your FPS, your video format, your color range, and even buffering if you want to. So that is about it. You can also go ahead and select if you want to go ahead and select or capture audio only or other output desktop audio, and all you need to do is click on OK, and now you can simply go ahead and resize it to any size you want, place it anywhere you want to, and you'll be fine. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.